Yo, I'm woken up now. Don't know why. But guys, yo, check out my truck, bro. I mean, I don't know about you, but this is sick. I bought this for a good, decent amount of money. My job's really paid up, man. I don't even know what to say about this, man. Like, the guy that I bought this from welded the entire flatbed himself. Look, we got my seats. American flag at the top, some sense. It's like giant, and it's almost like driving a plane, since you got all that and stuff. So yeah, bro, this is like a really cool truck, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, needs some touch up, but can't complain. All right, this is your homie. Peace out. Oh, sorry, I forgot that. It's your homie. Peace out.